Question 3, we've got 3 transmitting masts, A, B and C, and I'm going to put the distances and bearings that they've quoted here on this diagram. And there we have it. The bearing that they told us of A from C was 72, which is the addition of these two angles here. Well, this is a non-right angle triangle. Have we got a side angle pair of which we know everything? No, we don't. So we're going to have to use the cosine rule. Putting in our values, I get this, which turns out that x squared is equal to 96.03. And it turns out that x is 9.8 kilometres to 1 decimal place. And that's the answer to part A. Then we get a rather silly part B. If the engineer is to travel from mast A to mast B, why is the answer unlikely to be an accurate value for the distance that engineer has to travel? Well, there's a very unlikely to be a road which is exactly along the shortest distance, the straight line between A and B. If the road bends at all, this number will be too low.